हाय मम्मी, अहलन व सहलन। और ये कि हम आगे वापस कंटिन्यूएशन है। हाय एवरीवन, lots of hugs and the love from my mommy, who is all embracing and her heart is so open that she loves everyone. And she bring out the best in everyone. That is what our council member say, my heart's thing. Words taken and put in proper poem. Otherwise my poems are very crazy. And yeah, it is like Chichi said, freestyle poems without rhyming, rhythm, anything. I just write. So those are very disorderly poems of mine, and they're rejected by a school too. Oh, so I was saying that, what is it? Yes, the song of Mommy. It is inspired. No, I remember in myself that when Mommy and I squeeze each other, no, what I mean is embrace each other, then this very, very good smell coming from heaven, a fragrance, and even the normal aroma of the atmosphere, feeling so good, and the one become intoxicated, and the one falling like petals of flowers, roses, petals falling like that, and the sweet smelling herbs, and thank you for pushing me to say herbs. And if more bad news coming from this world, I'm holding on. Yes, this Zara Jawad is holding on to her mommy, and she's saying, I will not let you go. And sometimes she's very sick and tired of this, thinking it is an addiction, bad addiction. But it is by God, not by Shaitan. And the people thinking it is Shaitan. People must think from their hearts more than their mind. And like that movie, A True Story Fairy Tale, the little girl saying that the grown-ups do not know how to believe. So here I'm holding on fast, and she's thinking she is feeling mommy, holding on fastly to the pillow and nothing else. And so mommy, do you have anything to say? So what do you want to say? She is saying no. She doesn't want to say anything. She doesn't want to share her private life with others. And it is looking very, very cute that the Zara Jawad is holding on to her mommy and the pillow very, very fast. I mean, tightly, and talking to you people. So she will not let go of mommy. She's so dedicated. And her mommy is very, very quiet. And very shy. So mommy, now let us say hi to everyone. She is not saying anything. She is very silent. She will later be moaning and groaning at me that why have you told this world our secret? that all this intoxication coming into our beings, and we are so intoxicated, and the petals falling, we are like petals falling. Rose petals. And what else is there? Yes, this is how it is. Meaning, in the atmosphere there is this certain heavenly fragrance coming, which is exclusively from our love, from our loving embrace, and how I am melting and you are melting. You are melting me and I am melting you in this atmosphere, and it is so heavenly, not to mention how romantic it is. And what else is going on? It is powdery, and I think, Mommy, have you put on powder? I can smell my mommy's powder. It is so, so good that I cannot tell you, express in words. So say no more, say no more. We must feel. And why do you need to describe all this to the world? How Mommy make you feel? At times clownish, playful, naughty, and very, very bad. It is clean heart. Clean heart will not take you to heaven. Obedience and obedience to God's divine laws will take you to heaven. Now, Mommy's birthday is going to come soon, and probably Zara will not be able to get up because she'll be very shocked that her mommy has grown older. And this is the month for Mommy to become 86 now. And what shall I do? We do not know what you should do. But I think that God will give you strength. And even if you are dying, let us say, think and feel that we are dying. And that we have fully loved. And it is enough now that you have loved your mommy. And what else could be more important in life than to love someone completely? Completely, truly, and dying. But this death is life eternal. Like Jesus Christ said, if you die for me, you will have eternal life. I don't know if I can compare my love to this, but we shall do so. And I hope I am forgiven. And my love and this dying is accepted by God. So, I don't know what to say. Mommy has something to tell you people. She will say through me. What is it that she wants to say? Mommy has deserted me. She is embarrassing me. And you are not embarrassing your mommy. You should understand how embarrassed mommy must be and ashamed of you, that you have all the time been failing your mommy. But you do not understand, you are a love freak. You are a gone case in love. So, we were talking about destiny. Destiny and nature. The nature of love is to crucify you or to crown you. In a way that the world think they are crucifying you, but love has certainly crowned you. This world can never crown you in love. Do you understand? So, love is crowned by the highest throne in the heavens. Now I have convinced Mummy that being a child is better than growing up. So she is telling me I don't want to go out and meet people. I want to be here. I do not want to leave you. And some other time she was telling me that she's not interested in the religion. She doesn't want to believe. She doesn't want to believe in any religion. She likes, her religion has become love. Now she is talking like me.